So this is your typical 4028 setup. Your 12-volt feed comes from here, it's constantly on, and you've got a PWM from the first fan port set up on the negative. So what we're going to do is switch this around, so the negative is going to feed off one of your heater pins, and that will stop the really annoying full power fan on start up. Back in a minute. The noise is gone. Okay, so we have it wired up as per RatOS here, which is the negative on the fan onto the right hand side of HE1, the other two wires as normal. And if we go to our printer CFG, need to copy in one of these pieces of code. So we want to now enable the pin as per the right hand side of HE1, which is PA3. We need to change this to 3. Just put a note in there. I haven't adjusted the cycle time yet on this fan, so they're just commented out using the hash. Save and restart that. Now in theory, we should have fan, and we do. that helps you set up a 4028 fan on your rat rig.